Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video, we are having one very interesting question from radical equations which we'll be solving for the real values of x. So let's get it started by writing our equation square root of. Can we write x plus 16 as x plus 7 plus 9? So 9 plus 7 is 16, then we have plus 9. And in RHS, we have x plus 7. Now in LHS, we have x plus 7. In RHS, we have x plus 7. So let us consider x plus 7. Suppose this is u. So we will write our equation in u square root of u plus 9 plus 9 equal to u. Now we have a square root in LHS. So we will consider squaring both sides to remove square root. So I will put part 2 in the LHS and in the RHS. A square root and a square will be cancelled out from left hand side. Now we will write a square root of u plus 9 plus 9 equal to u square. Now we will subtract 9 from both the sides. So we will write here minus 9. Plus and minus 9 will be over. We will get equation square root u plus 9 equal to u square minus 9. Again we are going to consider squaring both sides to get rid of square root from the LHS. So we will put here part 2. So in the RHS we will put part 2. Now square root and a square will be cancelled out from left hand side. So we will write u plus 9 equal to u square minus 9 whole square. Now we will use algebraic manipulation. Let me write equation once. U plus 9 equal to u square minus 9 whole square. Now we are going to subtract u square from both the sides. So let me write minus u square. Now we will take minus 1 common from left hand side. From this side we will take minus 1 common, and here we are going to apply difference of two squares identity. So if I will write identity here, a square minus b square equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now we will take minus 1 common from LHS. So minus of u square minus u minus 9. And in RHS we will be using this identity. So we will write u square minus 9 plus u times u square minus 9 minus u. Now we will take all the terms to right hand side. So we have to write our RHS first. So RHS is u square plus u minus 9. Then we have u square minus u minus 9. Then we will write our LHS u square minus u minus 9 equal to 0. Now we have u square minus u minus 9 overall common. So we will write here u square minus u minus 9 common, and in other bracket u square plus u minus 9 plus 1 equal to 0. Or we will write u square minus u minus 9 times u square plus u minus 8 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule. So we can write either u square minus u minus 9 will be equal to 0, or u square plus u minus 8 equal to 0. So ultimately we have to solve two quadratic equations. So let us solve one by one. We will write our first equation, u square minus u minus 9 equal to 0. So as per quadratic formula, u will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. As per our quadratic equation, a is 1, b is coefficient of u, negative 1, c is constant, negative 9. Let's apply all the values of a, b and c. We will get minus b. So minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus minus square root of b square is minus 1 square. We will write 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 9 over 2 times 1. So we will write 2 times 1 here equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 36 over 2. Or we will be writing our real roots, 1 plus minus square root of 37 over 2. Now we have second quadratic equation also. So we will write here u square plus u minus 8 equal to 0. Here a is 1, which is equal to b also, and c is minus 8. So we will write here u will come out minus b. So minus 1 plus minus square root of b square, which is 1, minus 4ac. 4 times 1 times minus 8 will give us plus 32 over 2 times 1, which is 2. So from this quadratic equation, we are getting another two real roots, minus 1 plus minus square root of 33 over 2. So we have four real roots. Now we have to check which solutions or which u values we are going to accept and which solutions will be rejecting. So if I will write our equation, this equation was u plus 7. If I will write here, let me write square root of square root u plus 9. Then we have square root, then we have plus 9, and in RHS we have u. We have square root in the LHS, so u must be greater than or equal to 0 as per our RHS. So the minimum value of u which we can pass in left hand side will be 0. So if I will write, this will be equal to square root of 0 plus 9 plus 9. This is the minimum value of u. So we can put equality over there. So u must be greater than or equal to square root 9 is 3. So we will be writing 3 plus 9 is 12. So the minimum u will be 2 square root 3. If I will put the approximate value of square root 3, 1.732, we will be getting u equal to 3.464. So 3.464. our u must be greater than or equal to 3.464. Now let us write all the four solutions. U was 1 plus minus square root 37. Let me write separately. Over 2. Then we will write 1 minus square root 37 over 2. Then we have minus 1 plus minus square root 33. So let us write with plus sign over 2. And last was minus 1 minus square root 33 over 2. Now we have to write approximate values of u. So 1 plus square root 37 over 2, approximately 3.51. Second u value, approximately it is minus 2.51. Third value is somewhere approximately 2.4. And last value will be somewhere negative 3.4. But we have to accept u greater than or equal to 3.464. So here we will rejected. This value also we will reject. So this is the only solution which we are going to accept. So we will write here u equal to 1 plus square root 37 over 2. Now we have to find the value of x. So u was our substitution, x plus 7. So we will write x plus 7 equal to 1 plus square root 37 over 2. Now we will subtract 7 from both the sides. So plus and minus 7 will be cancelled out. We will get x equal to 1 plus square root 37 over 2, and 7 we can write minus 14 over 2. Now in numerator we will add 1 with negative 14 plus square root 37 over 2. So we are going to get our final answer, x equal to minus 13 plus square root 37 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.